In this video, I'm going to talk about what is a PDT rule. PDT rule applies to the USA based merchant account. People who have less than $25,000 in their brokerage account can only make 3-day trade on a 5 business day rolling period. Some people get very confused. They think 5 rolling day means on a weekly 7-day calendar basis. It's not. 5 rolling day only include the active days, that is the day when the stock market is open. Only that day count in the rolling day period, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday do not count in the rolling 5-day period. So if you make uh, Monday 1-day trade, Tuesday you did not make no trade, Wednesday you make 2-day trade, next week Monday you can make 1-day trade, Tuesday you cannot make no day trade, Wednesday you have the option to make 2-day trade. If somehow you skip that day trade, like Tuesday you did not trade, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any of the 3 days you can make the rest of the 2-day trades according to your preference, choice. In one day you can also make 2-day trade, but that has to be Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. It's a rolling day period basis. So you have to remember that concept very well.